Good evening everyone, this is DB Dagal Balaji. Welcome back to my channel DB Stock. Let us discuss what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about the Sensex. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis. What I have discussed yesterday. Market open gap up opening means within the that means market open gap up opening means the first target will be the 85,000 will be first target and 85,500 will be the next target. I have expected, but within this first candle itself, market reaches this target, and after that it consolidated at the top, and market started reversal from after reaching this 85,250 range. And why? Because the market within this first 15 minutes candle itself, the market market didn't use the breakout, and it gives the breakout failures continuously. So this is a sign for the selling, and after that I have seen it in 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame candle also given the clear indication that it means it's a very clear that within the second hour candle opening itself, market gives the downside momentum. So it's a very clear indication. It's a very clear view that market is not going to move upside today. So after that I have planned based on the M pattern breakdown. That means if this pattern given the breakdown means I would like to go towards downside with the target of this. First target will be the I have expected that 84,600. First target will be the day's low, and after that second target will be the this 84,600 will be the I have expected. Slow and steadily market reaches this target, and now market closes at the top. Now what is going to happen in tomorrow's market means if until and unless the breakdown of this 84,000 breakout of this 84,900 level, I don't want to see any buying pressure in the market. If tomorrow market opens gap up or flat or gap down opening means wherever it opens, if this first 15 minutes candle or first 5 minutes candle appears to be red candle, after that the next candle gives the breakdown of this first 5 minutes candle means I will go for the selling opportunity. I will see the selling opportunity in the market with the by keeping the stop loss at the above the candle high. That is what the plan I have for the Sensex tomorrow. And if it is until and unless the breakout of this 84,900 level, I don't want to go for any buying pressure. If it gives the good opens flat or gap up or gap down openings, I will go for selling after the first 5 minutes red candle breakdown itself. Let us see this in Nifty 50. Nifty 50 also the same scenario. After reaching the resistance 26,000 round level, market went into the sideways momentum. After that breakout of this M pattern breakdown, slow and steadily market reaches this downside and closes at the bottom. And now what is going to happen is the same scenario until and unless the breakout of this 26,000 round level. If any candle sustain above this level only, I see the buying pressure in the market. Until and unless I don't want to go for any buying opportunity. I don't want to see any buying opportunity in the market. So if market opens flat or gap up opening means after that first 5 minutes candle appears to be red candle means within this candle red candle low breakdown itself, I will go for the selling by keeping the stop loss of this above the red candle high. Let us see this Hindustan Unilever stock. Hindustan Unilever stock, I have discussed that within this, if market opens flat after the breakout of this range, I have the target of 20. I see the target of 2660 is the first target I have expected. That what happened in today's market is the sellers are strong. It indicates the sellers are strong. Market opens flat, reaches the target, and slow and steadily came downside and closes at the bottom. It indicates that the sellers are strong. When this type of scenarios are appears in the market means we have to wait and watch for the next coming days for the further move. So we have to wait and watch until the breakout and breakdown of this range, and after the based on this we have to predict the further move. Let us see this Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also we have expected the target of 2200 is the first target I have expected. If market opens flat or gap up opening after the breakout of this day's high, previous day high, we can expect the 22,000 will be the 2200 will be the first target I have expected. But before reaching this 2200, 2195 from this market started reversal and slow and steadily market closes at the top. Now what is going to happen in tomorrow's market means if market opens flat or gap up opening means if it until and unless the breakdown of this 2160 level, we don't need to see any selling opportunity. If the day's low, that means today's low, if market gives the breakdown of this today's low means we can see the selling opportunity with the target of 2120 will be the next target we can expect towards after. That means this is previous day low, that means yesterday's low will be the first target, and after that 2120 2100 will be the we can expect the target towards downside. Or if market opens gap up opening means after the breakout of this 2200 we can expect the target towards upside. Already we have discussed that 2240 will be the next target I am expecting the target to reach if it gives the breakout of this upside. That means today's high means I can expect the target of 2240. Maybe that can be reached tomorrow or by Monday. Thank you. This is my until and unless the breakdown of this 21,060, I don't want to see any selling pressure in the market in Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Fin Service. And thank you. And this is my view.